Mardi Gras is the perfect time to have fun with your makeup and express yourself. Hi, I'm Mitch and this is Sahira.
Today at MECCAversity, I'm going to show you how to create this bold, bright, colourful look for Mardi Gras. I'm going to share my tips on working with bold colour and making it easy. Today I've been inspired by the blue from the MECCA MAX Shade Parade duo, but you can use these techniques to create literally any bold eye. For this look, you'll basically only need two things, a gel eyeliner and a powder eyeshadow. Step 1 with the bold eye, always start with a cream base to create your shape. I'm using a gel eyeliner pencil to build up the colour quickly. It gives me heaps of control and prevents fallout. The start of any bold eye is choosing the shape you want to create. On Sahira, she's got lots of space, so I can go really big and elongate the eye. To build your base, map out the shape you want and slowly build up to how big you want to go. Always start small and add as you go, taking your time to blend. Step 2, build up depth and colour. My trick is to pack a powder shadow on top of your cream base. This will make your blend seamless and hide any mistakes. For intense colour payoff, pat and press your eyeshadow. No blending yet. Once I'm happy with the shape and intensity, I'm going to very softly diffuse the edges. I'm really happy with the wing. I think I'm going to add some depth to the inner corner to create some dimension and contrast. Before I move on, I'm just going to clean up with a little bit of micellar water. The sharp edge helps create a little bit more contrast in the look. Okay, so it's time for the main event. I really want these eyes to pop. So let's add some glitter. I love it. It's like shining a spotlight on the eyes. The key to high impact glitter is to use your ring finger and press the shadow on the lid. That way you're in total control. Then once you're happy with the placement and the glow, you can softly diffuse the edges with a fluffy blending brush. Okay, so this is giving glam. I think I'm going to go back in with my pencil liner just to add a little bit more contrast to make the spotlight pop. I'm really happy with how it's looking. Let's mirror it on the bottom lash line. I love this metallic blue shade and how it sparkles. It's perfect for Mardi Gras. Step 3, add definition to the lash line. When you go big with colour on the eyes, adding liner and mascara at the lash line really pulls it all together. If you haven't been able to do colour before, this makes the biggest difference. Step 4, balance your eyes with blush and lip. When you go bold on the eyes, it helps to add some colour back into the complexion. I still want to let the eyes be the hero, so I'm keeping it simple with a light flush of colour and gloss on the cheeks and the lips. So that's the final look, absolute slay. Remember, you can replicate these tips with literally any colour to create your own bold eye look.
So that's our look to celebrate Mardi Gras. I can't wait to see you all there.